Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Coding channel. Today I am going to show you that when we are developing e-commerce website in WordPress using Woocomerce, at that time how to put this quick buy button in our website in free of cost. So let me start to learn something new. So friend, this is my e-commerce website which is in WordPress and has Astra theme, and also I use Woocomerce plugin. Friends, Woocomerce plugin freely available, but if we want to put quick buy now button in our product, that we have to purchase this extra facility from Woocomerce website, and its cost is $39 per year. So you have to pay $39 every year just to use this quick buy now button. So friends, here I am going to show you one amazing solution. Using this you can put quick buy button in every product at free of cost. So for that we open admin panel of our website. So here I am going to log in. Now we are at dashboard, and this is our WooCommerce plugin which is I already installed. Now we have to install one new plugin. So for that, click on plugin option. After that, here click on add new button. After clicking on add new, here we have to search quick buy for WooCommerce. So write it and then press enter key. So here you get a search result having this type of icon. Its heading is quick buy for WooCommerce by Varun Sridharan. So after finding this plugin, here you have to click on install now button so that this plugin will be installed on our website. So we have to wait until installation completed. After installation completed, here active button will be displayed. So click on this active button and activate our plugin. So here I am going to click, and now our plugin is activated. So now we have to do some settings for a quick buy button. So after installing this plugin, we have click on WooCommerce option. Inside that you will find quick buy option. So click on it. After clicking on quick buy option, here all these option will be displayed for quick buy button. So there is a first option, that is a general. So click on it. So scroll down, there is a last option, location. This is the important setting. So here we have to choose option for that. When we click on quick buy button, at that time where to redirect in our website. So here choose options for location. So I am choosing cart option which is a default. After that we have to save these changes. So click on save settings button. So all the changes will be saved. After that click here on button styling option. Inside that there is a first option is for button label. It means that what will be written on our button. So here I am going with a default text, that is quick buy. The next option is for button style. There is a many different style available to choose. So whatever style we choose, its preview will be displayed here. So here you can choose any style for quick buy button, but if you want to use default button style of website theme, then you have to select none option. Friends, in this WordPress website I am using an Astra theme, and I want to use a default button style of Astra theme. The button style in Astra theme is something like this. Then I have to select none option. After that, again we have to click on save settings. So we save our settings. So now I am going to our website and I refresh this page. So after refreshing, here quick buy button will be displayed. But this button is not displaying in proper way, in proper style. These both buttons are too much close, and height of quick buy button is also more. So we have to add some custom CSS for style. So for that, what you have to do, here click on WooCommerce option. So there is an option quick buy button. So you have to click on quick buy button. After clicking on that, again we have to go inside the button style option. So inside that scroll down, here there is an option for custom CSS. So we have to write some custom CSS for proper styling. The ready-made CSS code is given to the description of this video, so copy from there and paste it here. So here I am going to copy this code and paste it here. After pasting this code, we have to save these changes. So I am click on this button. So our setting already saved, and now again we open our product page and refresh it. So now quick buy button display properly. So let me test it. When I click on this button, the product will add it to cart, and directly we redirect to cart page. This way we can add quick buy button in free of cost. If doing all these settings, quick buy button is not display or not redirect properly. So for that you have to again go to the admin panel, scroll down to settings, and there is an option for permalink. So click on permalink. So here in common setting area, scroll down and there is an option post name. So select it and again scroll down, and to save these changes, click on save changes button. So after doing this, quick buy button will display and work properly in your website. So friends, this way you can insert quick buy button at free of cost. And friends, when you use this technique in your website, at that time just comment us whether it is work or not. And one more important thing, that when you face any problem or confusion regarding this, then also comment us. We will definitely help you. So friends, thank you very much. Have a nice time.